Steven here from Recreational Power Sports, coming at you with another new Avalon here. So this one is a VTX 1980 CR, which is a cruise. I'm going to go through it top to bottom and inside out and show you what it's all about. So first thing you're going to notice here is we got this boat matched nicely with a Shoreland'r pontoon trailer. It is the rock guard material, so in theory all the rocks just bounce off of it, not create any rust, which is a very nice feature. Standard hitch coupler, tongue jack, and then we got the winch stand here with the 3 steps to get in and out of the boat, and a nice grab handle here just to make your life easier. Now coming towards the boat, you're going to notice with the matte black exterior, as you can see here, and the anodized rails. Polished corner caps, cleats, lights, obviously. And as we come alongside the boat, we're going to notice with the blacked out Avalon logo, Bimini top. And at the back of the boat here, we got ourselves a nice little swim platform, patio pad, whatever you want to call it, just a nice little spot to jump on and off the boat. 4-step folding boarding ladder, so very nice to get in and out of the boat easily. And at the back of the boat here, we got it paired nicely with a Mercury 60 horse CT. So the CT is the command thrust, which is meant for pontoons for a lot of thrust to just push the boat nicely. The last thing you're going to notice here alongside the tunes is these load guides. So those load guides go from the back of the tune all the way to the front of the tune, just to make your life easier as you're loading and unloading in the launch. If you want to follow me inside, I'll show you what the interior is all about. In the interior here, you're going to notice what we got going on. So first thing you're going to notice, upgraded flooring. Makes it really pop with the boat. And we got the charcoal interior package, so nice darker gray color. And it's 2-tone, as you can see here, so lighter and a darker charcoal there. With the charcoal cladding, speakers, and then we got the blue ice package, which is the toe kicks on this boat here. Underneath the seats, you're going to notice we got the aluminum frames built in. It's not the rotocast tubs. The nice feature with that is that it's open atmosphere, so everything can stay dry, get rid of the mold, the mildew, all that kind of jazz, and also gives you a lot more room for storage underneath the seats. The main driver's helm here, you're going to see we got ourselves a USB charger with Type-C as well for charging your devices. Got ourselves a nice little interior light there. Opposite side, we got a pop-up privacy station. So I'll just show you how it works. Pop that snap, let it pop up, drape this down, and you can kind of unzip it real quick, and then you could hop on in, close it up, do whatever you got to do. Use it for restroom, changing, whatever you want to do there. When you're done, zip it back up, quickly twist this in place, and then stow it nicely in this bag here. Fold it down, snap it on, and then just close it up. So very easy to use, as you can see there, and a very nice feature to have as well. We got side entry, so you could enter and exit off the side of the boat, and as well as, you know, loading into another boat or anything like that. Main helm here, you're going to notice we got an upgraded chair, swivels, slides, also reclines, as you can see here. Okay, upgraded armrests. Got ourselves a Fusion stereo. It is Bluetooth as well as AM/FM. 5-inch Garmin screen, so it's for fish. If you're not going to be fishing, you can use it for depth, water temperature, speed, all that jazz. 2 analog gauges, one for RPM, one for fuel and trim. And then my favorite thing to get in and out of the boat is the tilt steering. So it just makes your life a lot easier to enter and exit the captain chair here. At the back of the boat, we got ourselves some L seating here, right? So a lot of nice room. Comes complete with a trash can there. So the trash can, you know, throw all your garbage in there. It's out of sight, out of mind. The boat does come with a table. We typically install it right here, so you as a consumer can determine where you want it, if you want it back here or at the front of the boat. And the last thing you notice is the rear gate here. Just easy to enter and exit off the back of the boat. Do whatever you need to do here, jump off, whatever you want to do, right? Boat is fully ready to go. It comes complete with boat, motor, trailer, Bimini top, as you can see here, as well as a mooring cover. So if you have any questions about this boat or any others, check us out online, recreationalpowersports.com, or come on down to the dealership. I'll be happy to show you it.